Track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I saw this video of Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromified dancing happily together on I think probably Instagram and TikTok. So they were dancing to one of the popular Jamaican song. As you can see how they were moving their body all in happiness. And I just think like Junelle and Noah Lyles are definitely a good match for each other, and the Jamaicans and should start praying for them to get married soon, because I can't wait to see them getting married and having kid. But my questions still remain the same. If it happens Noah Lyles and Junelle Bromified got married, their kid, which country are they actually going to represent? Is it Jamaica or the United States of America? Which country are they going to represent if they want to participate in athletics? Because this is going to be a very tough decision. But nevertheless, this is not the title of this video. The title of this video is Noah Lyles and Bromified dancing together, and that is why I created it.